Today I'll be opening the Walt Disney World Mascots Mystery Pins. This is an older series from 2016, and I got these in 2021, and they've just been sitting back here in a box for quite a while. So these are no longer available in the parks, but back when they came out, these were $27.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. So this is a 16-pin collection, and the pin designs feature a Walt Disney World attraction as if it were a sports team logo. If you saw my video with the Disneyland mascots, these are very similar. They're just using Walt Disney World attractions. So the pin designs that we can get are the Imagination Institute Dreamfinders, Philharmagic Maestros, Main Street Electricity, Midway Maniacs, Star Tours Troopers, Savannah Rumble, Dino Institute Dinos, G-Force Records Rockers, Anandapur Yetis, Gracey Manor Ghouls, Soarin Skygliders, Flying Elephants Storybook Circus, Fantasyland Fightin 7, Test Track Drive, MK Shooting Stars, and Thunder Mountain Boom. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 2 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I went through my entire pin collection here looking for these pins to see if I have any already, and to my surprise, I have none. With the Disneyland version of these, I ended up having 9, so that was quite a good head start, but with these, I have none. So I cannot complete the collection here, and I can't go buy more bags because they're not out there anymore. So I'm hoping I at least get the Savannah Rumble, the Hatbox Ghost one, and then maybe the Big Thunder one. So those are the 3 that I'm hoping to get. So let's go ahead and open these up. These are loose in the bag, so usually goes a little quicker like that. So let's see what we get. With pin 1, we get the Star Tours Troopers. So this one says Star Tours Troopers on the bottom, and then you have a Stormtrooper, and it looks like a moon, or is that a Death Star? Oh, that's no moon. That's the Death Star. There we go. That's the one that I thought I had, but I looked at my Star Wars pins, and I didn't. Pin 2, we have the Dinos ones. This one is Dino Institute Dinos. It's a lot of dinos. So we have the, I don't know what dinosaur that is, but he is right there above the sign. That one is pretty cool. I can see that being like a sports team logo. All right. And the next one, we have the Main Street Electricity. So this one has kind of a pinkish purple circle there, and we have, oh man, drawing a blank here. Who's that? Who's the dragon? Oh man, I can't remember the name of the dragon. Is that Pete's dragon? Is that the name of the dragon? Whatever, it's that dragon. And that one says Main Street Electricity on it. And the next one is the Yetis. So this one is, how do we say that again? Anandapur Yetis? I had to look that up. I didn't know what that was, and it turns out that that's a fictional place where the Everest takes place, I guess, or one of the fictional towns or whatever. So yeah, so we have the mountain right there, and we have the Yeti. Right, he's coming at you. That's actually a really cool logo too. All right, and the last pin for this box is, hey, it's the Hatbox Ghost one. So this one is Gracey Manor Ghouls. So this has the Hatbox Ghost there, and I see a tombstone. Probably a tombstone on that other side too. Nice. I like that one. That one's cool too. All right. So those are our first 5. So we're going to get into the second bag here. Let's see what we get. I'm hoping for no doubles, but they can happen now. So the first one is, I can tell from the back, it's not a double. Yay. And this one is, ooh, this is the one with the castle. Ooh, that's cool. So it says MK Shooting Stars. So we have Cinderella's castle, and we have fireworks shooting out from behind it. Nice. That's actually pretty cool. I couldn't really tell what that was from the bag. Okay, the next one is, ooh, it's the Big Thunder one. So this one says Thunder Mountain Boom. And we have the kind of the Thunder Mountain Mesa mountain there. And we have a train going across there. That is cool. I like that one. All right, so I got the Thunder Mountain one and the Matterhorn one. The only other one I wanted was the Animal Kingdom one. And the next pin is Test Track Drive. So we have a test track ride vehicle coming out of, it looks like a lit up tunnel. That's pretty cool. Like that one. That one almost looks like it would glow in the dark. And we have 2 pins left. So we have, oh, this one looked cool too. This is the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train one. And so this one says Fantasyland Fightin 7. And then you have the whatever that ride's called, the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train coming towards you, the ride vehicle, and then you have the Seven Dwarfs in it. That's pretty cool. I like that one. And then our last pin, are we down to our last pin? We are. The last pin of our unboxing. Let's hope it's not a duplicate. And it's not. It is the Midway Maniacs. So this one says Midway Maniacs, and we have the little gun shooter things, or the darts, I guess it's a dart gun, and then we have the targets right there. So nice. So hey, that is awesome. We had 10 tries and got 10 unique pins. That's as good as you can get with these 2 bags. So that's awesome. So those were the Walt Disney World Mascots mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, or if you've even heard of these before. I don't know how popular these were when they were around. My favorite here, after getting a close look, is the Thunder Mountain Boom. I just like the word boom written really big there on that one. So that's my favorite out of these 10. So these, if they do look familiar, they very similar to the Disneyland Mascots pin series, which I have a video for that. And then also there's another mystery pin pack that's called Fantasyland Football mystery pins. And I think those are still available in the parks. So I have a unboxing of those too. And those came out quite a while ago too. And I think my unboxing video might be one of my earlier ones, so yeah, be careful watching that one. The background will look very different. so this was a great unboxing for me. Actually, it couldn't get any better. I had 2 bags, 10 pins total, and I got 10 unique pins. So I got 10 out of the 16. So I'm only missing 6 pins here. So the ones I'm missing are the Imagination Institute Dreamfinders, the Philharmagic Maestros, the Savannah Rumble, the G-Force Records Rockers, which that one would have been a cool one to get because that one is Rock and Roller Coaster, which is changing the theme to Muppets Roller Coaster. So that's always good to have the pins for the rides that get changed. The Soarin Skygliders and the Flying Elephants Storybook Circus. So those are the 6 I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.